How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on Turkey Leg TV we're turning this into our throwing knife pin. So let's go do it. So I put it in the vise here, so now that we can get this punch tool to mark where we want to drill. Alright, let's throw this on the drill press. Let's go take it outside to get a better look of it. Now, drilling this hole turned out beautifully and successfully. The brass pipe fits perfectly in there. We'll glue and sand our brass tube into our throwing knife. So let's go on to doing that. Time to sand off the remaining parts of the brass tube. Okay, now that we're done with this part, it's on to the top part of the pin. So for the top part of the throwing knife pin, we're going to be using a whinge wood. Yes, this is beautiful. Let's get it measured and cut to shape. Now it's time to sand and glue this tube into this part just like we did with the throwing knife, so let's do it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment. Is that a ninja wearing the exact same t-shirt and a bandana? My evil twin brother, how dare you! Dun dun dun! Find out! Never.